guys, hope you all are doing amazing. So in this video I'm going to show you that how am I going to curl my hair and what products I'll be using. So let's get right into this. So in this video I'll be using the Alan Truman Gold Argan Oil hair curler. It's their new launch and it is super affordable and super amazing. So look at the packaging, guys. It looks so rich and so beautiful. First thing that I'm going to use on my hair to start the curling with is this serum, and I'm going to take like a little bit of it. Just use a little bit of it on all of my hair, and that's about it. Now I'm gonna divide my hair. So that's how my hair looks like. Just gonna divide it into sections. So I'm gonna look like a fool to you right now because how I look, but that's okay. So now I'm going to start with this section. Let's switch this color on. That's how the buttons look like. And let's switch on this color. Okay, so we're gonna set it at 190, right? And okay, it's getting hot. First I'm gonna like straighten my hair थोड़ा सा ऊपर से, because I don't want them to look like too curly and all. ऊपर से भी curly और नीचे से proper curls. It's gonna look like weird as hell. I was about to like swear, but I was like, no, I cannot. Okay, so let's begin. This is the first section of my hair that I'm gonna curl. So I'm gonna put my hair, wrap it around the collar like this. Oops, so hot. Wait for about not 2 minutes. Wait for about like 50 seconds because it's on 190 and it's not like that hot. So 50 seconds would do the work, and that's about it. So I want like nice waves, right? I really want nice waves. So I'm gonna like just want like nice beautiful waves. Okay, so oh my god, just look at the curl, you guys. It looks beautiful. Now I'm going to take the next section of my hair and do what I did. I'm just gonna take my curler, wrap my hair around. Plus it's infused with argan oil, like oops, the curling strand, this thing is infused with argan oil, so it's not going to damage your hair and it's safe to use. So that's a plus point of this beautiful color. I'm loving the hair. It looks beautiful. I think I'm going to change the light a bit, like this, a bit dark. Yeah, now it's fine. So now let's do the same thing that I did and curl. Oh my god, it's so like beautiful. Loving the hair. Like if you buy this curler, you actually don't need to visit the salon often. I'm so sorry. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead with this section of my hair. Actually this section, like I'm gonna divide it in like half. So this section of my hair, and just gonna curl it around. Oopsie. 1 second. Okay. I'm a person who loves to do their hair, and I love things when they just make my hair look, ooh, nice. Look at this, you guys. Looks awesome. It looks so beautiful. Okay, the last strand is why am I like, oh, I burnt my hand. Why am I like fixed on saying strand? Like, so stupid of me to keep saying like strand. This is like the last section of my hair from the thing that's left. Okay, and now I'm gonna just like put it out. Ooh, nice. Okay, so now let's open this part, this portion of hair, and oopsie, I'm gonna keep my curler here and wait for about, okay, so that's how my hair looks like. Okay, so first I'm gonna like curl this part. I'm gonna put this back in a bun, curl this part now. So as it's like small portion only, I'm not gonna segregate. So what happened in the morning, I got an email from L'Oreal and they wanted me to take part in this campaign in which I had to like color my hair, and I was like, no way. I was like, I cannot like just color my hair because my hair is very damaged because of, you know, because of so much color and so much like left with this section of my hair. So just gonna segregate it like that because I don't want to so during this lockdown time, brands are like, oh, I'm not earning enough and please आप ये बाटा में कर दो, ये कर दो, वो कर दो. And I'm like, are you mad? If you're not earning enough, like why do you want to like promote your product? And like, okay, like why, if you're not earning enough, then why do you want me also to not earn? Like, I don't understand the whole system of Bata collaborations. Like, it's so stupid. अरे तुम्हें करना क्यों है Bata? You should pay for the content that we are creating for your brand, right? It's not like कि हम शूट नहीं कर रहे अच्छे से या फिर आपको उस क्वालिटी का कंटेंट नहीं मिल रहा है हमसे. You get everything that you actually ask for. Then why can't you just pay the content creator? Like, that's so stupid. So I have like stopped taking Bata collaborations. I used to take when I was like starting out, but oh my god, my hair looks so amazing. But as soon as I like reached to a point where I did not like feel like doing Bata, like as soon as you reach to a point where you are having so many followers and people are listening to you, then I think doing Bata collabs is just a stupid thing. Okay, anyway, so oh my god, just look at my hair and how do they look like. They look so pretty. Like, my hair are looking so beautiful. Not even kidding. Like, look at my hair. I'm just gonna change the light for a bit. Yeah. Oh my god, my hair looks so pretty right now. Completely in love with my hair and completely in love with this hair color. So you can get this off from Alan Truman, and I think that they are running a sale right now, so it will cost you about 7,000. I feel, I don't remember the actual price of this, so go and buy this right away. It's amazing and it's infused with argan oil, so of course it's gonna help you out. Okay guys, if you like this video, then don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my beautiful channel. Go and subscribe, you all. Mwah.